How? What do you mean?
Because 7.25 is up there, where it says the mean lifespan is 7.25, and then they tell you that the mean lifespan in captivity is 8.64, so you can draw that without doing all of that.
How did I know it was way up here, not right there?
Because
the standard deviation. Yes. So, one good point you made was the only parts of this problem that matter, that really matter for getting the answer, are the third step and the fourth step. Right? The third step is, how far do I have to get? And the fourth step is, how far did we get? But the first step is, what the hell are you talking about? Okay, that sounds important. The second step is, why the hell are you allowed to talk about it the way you're going to talk about it? Z-scores or T-scores, right? That's important. And then the fifth step is going to be, write your conclusion. You know that was coming. Yes?
So what we're seeing before
C. So let me say this. This is, I kind of forgot to say this kind of. So, I don't know if you just heard me. Step one is, what the hell are you talking about? Step two is, what are you going to use to talk about it? Step three is, how far do you got to get away to show evidence? Step four is, well, how far did you get away? And step five is, what the hell did you just do?
So step 3 is creating your boundaries.
Yes.
And then step 4 is where you actually lie.
It's sort of like if you're a football coach. Oh, cool, I got plenty of time. Okay. If you're a football coach and you have on the whole, a slow team. Did it stop again? No? It's going? Good job. Let's say you're a football coach, your team is slow. You with me? Not slow, but slow. Right? Okay. I don't know about that. So you want to get somebody fast. You need somebody that's going to be like a little, what's his name, Danny Whitehead or yeah, exactly. You know, and if somebody hits him, he flies. But he made it far. You with me? So you're going to have tryouts, and you want to see evidence from people that want to get on your team. You want to see evidence that they run fast. So you're going to set a benchmark time that you want to see them come in below. All right, so this is like the benchmark time that you set. The 2.326 is our benchmark. This is where it's going to show me evidence that the sample is coming from something with a different mean. Right? That's the benchmark. And then step 4 is we let the guy run. Right? So step 4 is we let the sample do its thing. We see where it actually falls. Which side of that does it fall on? Does that make a little more sense? I mean, that's really all this is. Step C is the benchmark. Now, in some sense, it's a little arbitrary, but there are some situations where the benchmark is completely based on past observations. Like in the past, you know that if things went beyond this step, there's going to be some stuff that blows up. So then you say, okay, let's set this to be the step where we go do something. Do you understand? But sometimes it's a little, it depends on what's enough evidence for you personally. And that's why in the article,